So we're working on a Chevy Silverado, and we're going to do a cloned key for it. So to do a clone key for this year of truck, we do need to do what's called sniffer data. So that collects data from the ignition and from the chip at the same time in order to compile the data that we need in order to clone a chip that's going to actually start the vehicle. So we'll get this focused in as best we can here. So we're going to hit transponder clone, and then we're going to read the transponder first. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so this is the information we got. Now that we have the information there, we can see it's a 46 chip and that it is clonable. So we're going to stick the key in the reading part of the key tool again, and then we're going to hit clone. And then we'll hit start clone. And there's a couple different options on here. We're going to select the first one, which is called 46 transponder clone. You do want to make sure you are connected to a decent internet connection to do this. All right, so now there's the different types of acquisition methods. The top one is for OEM clones, and then this one here is for aftermarket. Sometimes the OEM one will work right away, sometimes it won't. So generally you're better off doing the aftermarket one. The OEM one only collects one set of sniffer data, whereas the OEM one or the aftermarket one will collect 8 sets of sniffer data. So I'll show you how to collect that data. So we're going to do aftermarket chip clone. It's going to want to collect, it says collecting data times 8 data collecting. So we'll put it up to the ignition here, and then we're going to stick the key in, and we're going to turn it, and then it says successfully collected data 1. Pull the key out, do it again. Data 2. Data 3. And just do this until you get to data 8. Data 7. Data 8. Stick the key back in. There it says uploading data, so now it's uploading the data to the server. So sometimes this takes a second depending on how busy the servers are. It is really important that you don't mess with anything while it's doing this, otherwise it will mess that up. Oh, so it calculate failed, so we're going to retry. There we go. So this time it says calculate success, as you can see. So now we're going to put our super chip in the little slot here. And then we're going to wait for it to write all the information to the super chip. And there we go, writing the data. And that is it.